The ability to be on Capitol Hill and to be a part of the Academy's larger effort really showed me how powerful it is to be there in person and to sit down and talk as a group.
I think it is a very effective way to connect with your legislators.
In the member offices, at every single meeting, we had somebody who had a personal link to a disease that was being investigated by NIH funding. And that really shows the huge impact that biomedical research has on everybody.
During the event, we researchers and physicians shared our own experience in research and clinical practices. And there were a lot of advocates and patient representatives. They were amazing. They are always, no doubt, enthusiastic cheerleaders for us who are dedicated to research and overall health for patients.
Increased funding means better care for patients. I mean, research translates directly into improved care.
I consider this type of one-on-one advocacy to be critical for individuals who have control of the NIH budget and control of how many of our institutions are funded to meet the people that they represent. And I encourage everyone to be able to do it in order to be able to represent their own experience as well as those of the stakeholders that they represent.
Just like as a doctor, you train how to break very complicated things down to patients and talk to them on their level. I think it's important as a researcher that you're able to not only communicate with peers, but you should also be able to communicate to people who are not from your subject. I think there's a lot of value in that and in showing people what you do and how that contributes to society in the end.
Medical research is a sort of a niche issue. Not everybody thinks about it. So people who do it and engage in it really have to tell the people who represent them in Washington how important it is for humanity.